English for Science and Engineering. Lecture on Electronics. Circuit Design, Series and Parallel.
Series and parallel. This is another very important concept. Series and parallel. Series and parallel. And when we use these words, we're usually talking about circuits. So in a series, our circuit looks like this. And then all of our components on the circuit are arranged like this. One way you could look at this is that current traveling through a circuit in series must go through each and every component. So you could think of baseball. Think of baseball. So you have a home base. And when you hit the ball, what happens? Well, you go to first base, right? And then second base. And then third base. And then home run. And this is why we call the baseball games the World Series. And well, the baseball games at the very professional, competitive level are called the World Series. It's the same word. So you can think of series as being like the baseball diamond, and the current, or the baseball player, has to run through every single component to make the home run. Now, with parallel, it's a different kind of arrangement. With parallel, we have two conductors, and then we have several components between these conductors like this. In the case of a parallel circuit, the current does not go through every single component. Some of the current goes through this component, some of the current goes through the other component, some of it goes through this component. If you add up all of the currents through all the components, then you get the total flowing in the circuit. So to remember parallel, look at these two L's. That's parallel. And just like these types of circuit. Easy, right? Series, you have to run around all the bases. Parallel,